Hi there, my name is Carl, an MP ambassador from the Diploma in Nursing. Currently, we're in the School of Health Sciences, or HS for short. Stepping into HS, you might just forget you're in school. With hospital beds, labs, and even an operating theatre, our school has it all. With a wide range of laboratories and the latest tech, we get an immersive hospital operation training experience. Let me take you on a tour around my school. Come on in to our school's Nursing Skills Lab. These anatomy structures over here help us identify different structures within the human body. That's not all. Our ward setting has several hospital beds and life-size mannequins that mimic the symptoms of real patients. Here, you'll see that my classmate, Ellie, is attempting a wound dressing on a patient. Now, let me show you something that you might not have seen before. We are now at the ICU Simulation Lab. Oh no, we need to resuscitate our patient. Quick, get the defibrillator. Thankfully, the patient looks fine now. That was a close call. Let's head to the next room. Coming up, our simulated operating theatre. First things first, we have to prepare for surgery. Being sterile is a key aspect of surgical procedures. Let's quickly join our friends at the operating table. We need to be careful, alert, and constantly think on our feet to ensure the procedure goes smoothly. That's not all. This is the optometry center where our future optometrists detect eye disorders and prescribe optical treatments. They do spectacle fittings and adjustments here. The consultation rooms are where my friends from optometry are trained to examine eyes, test sight, and diagnose visual conditions. They work alongside qualified optometrists to manage real patients. From recommending eye treatments to other forms of prescriptions, they've got it all covered. We've come to the end of our tour. If you love to make a difference to the health and lives of others, then you should join NP's School of Health Sciences. I can't wait to see you here!